Getting a VAT number is a crucial step for many businesses operating in countries where value-added tax applies. Understanding the registration process can save you time, money, and potential legal headaches. A VAT number is a unique identifier assigned to businesses registered for value-added tax. This identifier allows tax authorities to track VAT transactions and ensure businesses comply with their tax obligations. The number appears on invoices, customs documentation, and tax returns. Operating without a VAT number when required can result in penalties, delayed customs processing, or denial of VAT reclaims on purchases. VAT, or value-added tax, is a graduated tax system used in the European Union's 27 countries, as well as places like the Isle of Man and Monaco. Businesses must add VAT to the price of most products and services they sell, including business-to-business transactions, consumer sales, commissions, merchandise samples, and even vending machine items. You typically need to register for VAT if your business meets certain conditions. These include when your taxable turnover exceeds the registration threshold in your country, such as £85,000 in the UK or €35,000 in Ireland. Registration is also necessary if you supply goods or services across borders within the EU, import goods into the EU, or anticipate reaching the threshold soon based on contracts or business forecasts. Voluntary registration is possible and often beneficial for startups expecting high setup costs, as it allows them to reclaim input VAT on those expenses. Foreign businesses supplying digital goods or services within the EU must register under special schemes like the VAT Mini One-Stop Shop, which simplifies cross-border VAT compliance. The online registration process typically begins with determining whether you are registering as an individual, an agent, or an organization established in the state of application. You must be established in the state before you can register for VAT. Next, complete the required VAT registration forms through the appropriate online tax portal. In many jurisdictions, paper applications are discouraged or even returned unprocessed. For successful registration, you'll need to gather several documents and pieces of information. These include your business name and contact details, the nature of your business activities, your tax identification number, bank account information, details of company directors or owners, and projected turnover figures. Some jurisdictions may require additional documentation, such as certificates of incorporation, articles of association, or utility bills for address verification. In certain circumstances, where online registration isn't possible, paper forms may be accepted. Different forms exist depending on your business structure. For example, individuals, sole traders, and partnerships might use one form, while limited companies use another. These forms would then be mailed to the appropriate tax authority. Non-resident and foreign businesses operating in another jurisdiction may still need to obtain a VAT number in that country. This applies to companies providing digital products, online educational content, subscription services, or those importing or exporting goods within the EU. Many countries allow foreign businesses to register without having a local office, though some require appointing a fiscal representative, particularly for businesses based outside the EU. After registration is complete, you'll typically receive your VAT certificate within about 14 days. The effective date of your VAT registration will be on or after the beginning of the taxable period in which you applied. Once registered, you must report any changes to your registration information within 30 days and submit tax returns electronically, along with any required payments. Failing to register for VAT when required can have serious consequences. These include backdated VAT liabilities, where you may need to pay VAT on past sales, even if you didn't charge your customers. Financial penalties for late registration vary by country, but can be substantial. Interest may accrue on unpaid VAT, and unregistered businesses exceeding the threshold risk being flagged for investigation. If you discover you should have registered earlier, voluntary disclosure to tax authorities is often viewed more favorably and may reduce penalties. Understanding VAT registration requirements is essential for business compliance and financial planning. Whether you're a local business reaching a turnover threshold or a foreign company expanding into VAT territories, Knowing how to obtain your VAT number online streamlines the process and helps ensure your business operates within the legal framework of the countries where you conduct business.